Good morning, ma'am. I am K. Bhagilata from final year MZC. My topic is types of acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is also known as adaptive immunity. Acquired immunity develops during the lifetime. Acquired immunity classified into four unique features. They are specificity, diversity, immunological memory, discrimination between self and non-self. Specificity, ability of the antibody to recognize the specific antigens. Diversity, they can recognize billions of different structures of foreign antigens. Immunological memory, once recognize and respond to an antigen, and they are able to recognize the antigens more quickly and strongly. Immunological memory of the long-term immunity in the body of the host. Discrimination between self and non-self. The immune system almost always recognize the self and non-self antigens. Antigens only respond to the non-self antigens. Acquired immunity divided into two types: active immunity and passive immunity. Active immunity develops in response to the injection or vaccination. Active immunity divided into two types: natural active immunity, artificial active immunity. Natural active immunity, the immunity develops after the antigens. This immunity may be lifelong. Example, smallpox and chickenpox. Artificial immunity, it develops, it responds to the vaccination. And passive immunity, antibodies after development after receives antibodies from one person to another person. It divided into two types: natural passive immunity and artificial passive immunity. Natural passive immunity, antibody received from mother, example, through the breast milk. Artificial passive immunity, antibodies received from a medicine, example, from a gamma globulins injection. There are two types of acquired immune responses: cell mediated immune response and humoral mediated immune response. Cell mediated immune response can carry out the T cells. Humoral immune response can require attracted to the B cells and antibodies. Thank you, ma'am.